Today we'll show you how to import all password from your PC to your Google Chrome. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google and go here to 3 points here and go now to settings and now autofile and the password and go to down and Google Password Manager. Just click and now we have this is a password and now saving in our Google Chrome. But now we need to import the new password. Just click to settings and go here to select file. This import password and now click to select file. Okay, just only one click and go to desktop. Okay, this is our file. Okay, like a Chrome password. Just click and maybe like a view password, and finally we'll be find this. Okay, this is not the recuperating. After this we'll be find your password here. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.